Welcome back to the channel CAD Alright, in today's video, we are going to show you how to simply copy your title that is on YouTube, and you can easily generate the description of your YouTube video, all by chat GPT in just one simple prompt. So it is very easy. So basically, giving description to your video is actually very important if you are a YouTube creator. If you don't know why, you should, of course, you should definitely read the question mark sign which is right over here that says why giving description to the video is actually important. So basically, you go to Chat GPT and you simply paste your title and say that this is the title for my YouTube video. Give me a description for the same. Just press enter and few and wait very less than a few seconds. Okay, it is getting over. Okay, it is a bit long one, so we will edit the prompt and say that for the same shirt in short. So this is a very good. So you just simply copy this, Control C, go to your YouTube channel and just Control V. So that's all. This is how you simply uh, generate description for your YouTube videos from ChatGPT itself. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it.